Start sitting with Vajrasana, thunderbolt position. Calm down your breath and your body completely. Take a few deep breaths here. Deep inhale and slowly exhale. Now keep your left hand on your stomach and right hand on your chest. Now slowly inhale while filling your stomach with the air and then your chest. And while exhaling, empty your chest and your stomach completely. Repeat this pattern 2 times. Deeply inhale, fill your belly completely with the air and slowly exhale. Open your arms, relax your body, breathe normally. Slowly inhale and exhale. While inhaling, open your arms completely and open your chest. While exhaling, hug yourself. Inhale, open your arms completely. Exhale, hug yourself. Inhale, open your arms. Feel the positive energy from the surrounding entering inside you. Breathe normally. Slowly rub your palms. Keep your palms on your eyes. Massage your face. And with a deep relaxation, stay present. Keep sitting in thunderbolt position. Hips must be rested on your heels. Back completely straight. Interlock your fingers, palms facing roof, over your head. Stretch your elbows completely high. Keep your elbows turned towards out and stretch high. Rest your palm on your head. Again, while inhaling, stretch your palms, stretch your elbows and your arms completely high. Slowly exhale and rest your palms. Again, inhale. Exhale, rest your palms over your head. Inhale and slowly bend towards left. Give a little bend, do not stress your body. Center inhale while exhaling, bend towards right. And relax. Hold your wrist behind your body and slowly take your chest completely down, your head completely down. Touch your head to the ground. Keep your eyes closed and stay focused on every ingoing and outgoing breath. Come back to the center. Open your knees. Make some space. Walk on your fingers. Drop your chest to your head completely down and touch the ground, touch your mat and hold here for a few seconds. Breathe normally. And slowly come to tabletop position. Give few moments of cat and cow posture. While inhaling, look in front, look above. While exhaling, fold your spine. Inhale, make an arc in your back. Exhale, fold your spine, head in between your hands. Inhale, make an arc in your back. And while exhaling, fold your spine completely. Repeat this movement for a few times. Slowly take your hips back and rest them on the heels. Come to the child pose and relax. Stay focused on your breath. Come back to tabletop position. Your knees should be completely under your hips and your palms should be under your shoulders. Now slowly, while inhaling, stretch your leg behind completely straight, and while exhaling, bend your knee, take it toward chest. Inhale, stretch your leg behind completely, look in front. Exhale, fold your spine, bend your knee and take it towards chest. Again, inhale, straighten your knee, straighten your leg. Exhale, fold your knee and slowly relax. Give 3 repetitions. Other side. While exhaling, fold your knee. Inhale, straighten your knee and your leg completely. Exhale, fold your knee, take it towards chest. Inhale, straighten your leg, look in front. Exhale, fold it. Inhale, straighten leg. Slowly relax. Calm down your breath. Come to the child pose. Breath normally. Now slowly come to tabletop position, and while inhaling, slowly lift your leg high completely behind. Hold it for a few seconds and take your leg in front, in between both of your hands. Slip your leg which is behind little bit backward. Stretch your arms completely and come to half moon pose. Arms down. Straighten your front leg. Straighten your front knee and give few pulses here. Do not stress your knee, do not stress your hamstring. Just stay aware to your limit. Keep your arms inside and take your leg back. While inhaling, stretch it and repeat the same practice with the other leg. Slowly inhale, stretch your right leg behind completely high. Hold it here for a few seconds and slowly take your leg in front between both of your hands. Come to half moon position. Give a wide lunge to your leg and stretch to your back, to your shoulders, to your arms. Keep your arms completely down. Straighten your front knee, front leg. Give few pulses here. Try to touch your knee to your head. Move your head toward your knee and slowly take your arms in and take your leg back. Stretch high. Hold for a few seconds and slowly come to tabletop position. Go to the child pose. Relax here for a few seconds. Relax your muscles, your back, your arms and your legs. Come back to tabletop position slowly. Now while inhaling, raise your right hand high completely up. While exhaling, take your hand completely down. Thread to the needle pose. Stretch your shoulder completely out. Again, inhale. Raise your right hand completely high. Look at your thumb. Exhale. Take your hand down. Stretch your shoulder out completely. Rest your head and rest your shoulders. Again, inhale. Stretch your arm completely high. Exhale. Thread to the needle pose. Stretch your shoulder out and come to tabletop position. Repeat the same practice with other arm. Left hand completely high. Look at your thumb. Exhale. Come to the needle, thread to the needle pose. Again, inhale. Raise your hand completely high. Exhale. Keep your shoulder down, head down. Rest in this position for a few seconds. Again, slowly inhale, stretch your arm high. Do not take your hand completely back or completely in front. Just keep it in front of your eye. And while exhaling, thread to the needle pose. Rest your shoulder, rest your head down. Come to the tabletop position. Slowly take your hips down, touch to your heels, and take your arms completely out, extended. Give few pulses to your chest. Keep your hips lifted. If you can see the position, my hips, my hamstrings are completely perpendicular to the floor. My chest and chin are completely touched to the floor. Try to come to this position and try to hold this position for a few seconds. Open your arms, open your shoulders. This is the very good position to open the shoulders. Now take center of your head on the floor, as close as possible to your knees. Hold your shin and hold it here for a few seconds. Slowly down. Again, lift your hips up. Center of the head on the floor. Hold your shin. And slowly relax and down. Now slowly move forward. And come on your legs. Keep your feet on the ground. Come to the downward dog position. Try to press your heels. Try to press your shoulders completely down. Look in between your legs or to your navel. Now slowly lift your heels up. Come on your knees and go to child position. So downward dog position is very good to stretch your calves, stretch your hamstrings and your complete leg, also your shoulders and your chest. Slowly come forward and lie down with the support of your belly. Keep your palms completely near your chest. Legs should be joined. Now slowly inhale, lift your chest up. Use your back muscles to lift your chest high. And slowly relax your head down. Take a few breaths here. Again inhale. Lift your chest. Use your back muscles. Keep your feet touched to the ground. And slowly relax here. Now interlock your fingers behind. Now slowly lift your upper body and lower body together. Stretch your arms completely behind. Hold this position for a few seconds and slowly rest your body down and relax. Now slowly turn towards right or left. Just keep your right knee bended. Start raising your left knee straight and completely high. Few movements. And hold your leg as high as possible for a few seconds. Repeat the same practice with the other leg. Raise your right leg completely high. Lie down from side. With the support of your elbows. Raise your leg high. Give few movements and slowly hold this position. Keep your leg lifted as high as possible and slowly relax, rest it down. Lie down straight with the support of your back. Raise your left leg high and slowly take it down. Do not touch the ground. Come back from the 30-degree angle to 90-degree. Slowly take it down. Again come back. Hold your hamstrings. Try to keep your knee completely straight and hold your leg at the 90-degree position. Slowly bend your knee. Hug your knee and try to touch your knee to your chest. While exhaling, touch your nose to your knee. Rest for a few seconds and relax. Repeat the same practice with the other leg. Raise your leg high and slowly take it to 30-degree. Again move it to 90-degree. Give few movements here. Slowly take it down and come back. Make it straight at 90-degree. Hold it here. Try to make your knee completely straight. Bend your knee. Hug your knee. Push your knee towards your chest. And slowly, while exhaling, touch your nose to your knee. And slowly relax. Body completely straight and in a rested position. Bend both of your knees together. Hug both of your knees. While exhaling, lift your head, nose in between your knees, and slowly relax. Legs completely straight, arms open, palms facing roof. Keep your left hand on your belly, right hand on your chest. Feel the movement with every breath. Feel the movement of your chest, of your belly, and rest here for a few seconds in this position.
Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga. You can share your views to the comment section. कैसी लगी आपको वीडियो प्लीज़ ज़रूर बताइए. And you can send your queries to my email ID pinakiyoga@gmail.com. I'll meet you soon in the next one with next flow. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy. Namaste.